Please like and subscribe.
How to create second account on YouTube. First, click YouTube. Next, hit your profile. And select Add Account. I have my fingerprint verification for security. You can verify it off typing your password instead. And you will go directly on Google and choose Create Account. Choose for myself and enter your first name. I almost forgot my name, haha. Then enter your last name. Choose month of your birthday. Choose the day and the year you were born, and your gender. And now think of what username you will use. Try to remember all the letters you've made. And oops, it is taken. So I used Google recommended instead. And now let's proceed by creating password. And now type any password that you can remember. But I made a weaker one. But now it needs a much stronger password.
Oh no!
And I made it on second attempt.
Trying to make a stronger one.
And there you go, hit next. Add security next time if you have time, like adding your phone number. Just hit I'm in. Then hit next. You've been successfully created new account on Google. Read the privacy and terms. Scroll down and hit agree. And you will go directly on YouTube. As you can see, here is my old account. Don't worry, YouTube's still refreshing. And there you go. You have successfully created your second account. Simple and easy steps to make one. Enjoy and thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video.